Imagine something so massive it can swallow entire stars, yet it's invisible. A silent wanderer moving through our galaxy right now, not in some distant corner of the cosmos, not thousands of light years away, but here in our Milky Way. They call it a rogue black hole, a gravitational monster, drifting aimlessly. It doesn't emit light. It doesn't make a sound. And worst of all, we didn't even know it existed until now. But how do you find the invisible? And what happens when it finds us first? A black hole isn't just a big hole in space. It's the corpse of a dead star, one that collapsed under its own gravity. So dense that space and time twist around it, so powerful that even light can't escape. Inside it, time doesn't exist, space becomes meaningless, and physics breaks down. Now imagine something like this, not locked in place, but moving freely through the galaxy, through our galaxy. For decades, scientists assumed black holes were mostly stationary. But then came the data from Hubble, and later, Gaia. A bizarre anomaly. A faint lensing effect, the warping of light. Not from a star, not from a planet, but something invisible, dragging light itself as it moved across the sky. This was no star. It was a wandering black hole, at least 7 times the mass of our Sun, moving at 160,000 kilometers per hour, right through the spiral arms of the Milky Way. The terrifying part? This might not be the only one. In fact, scientists estimate there could be over 100 million black holes in the Milky Way alone, and thousands of them could be rogue, drifting freely. We only recently spotted one. How many more are passing silently by, undetected? How close have they come to Earth? Have they already changed our history without us knowing? Let's imagine. If this rogue black hole passes within a few light years of Earth, it could slingshot comets toward us, destabilize orbits, trigger gravitational chaos. And if it gets even closer, our planet would stretch like spaghetti in its gravity, torn apart in a process called spaghettification. The oceans, the mountains, every human memory gone in an instant. Not even light would escape. No warnings, no explosions, just silence. So, is this black hole coming toward us? Here's the truth. We don't know. It's moving, it's dark, it's unpredictable. All we can say is, it's out there, right now, and it's watching, or passing, or maybe heading our way. But the real danger isn't just one black hole. It's how little we know about what surrounds us. Space isn't just empty, it's full of ghosts. Massive, invisible ghosts that bend light, warp time, and rewrite destiny. You might think they're just destroyers, but black holes are also creators. They shape galaxies. They sculpt stars. Without them, we might not exist at all. The black hole at the center of the Milky Way, Sagittarius A, holds our galaxy together. But rogue black holes, they're different, they're wild. And when one enters the wrong neighborhood, things get messy. They can collide with stars, eat planets, even merge with other black holes, releasing energy that shakes the entire universe. Here's the question no one can truly answer. What lies inside a black hole? Some say nothing, just crushed matter. Others believe it's a gateway to another universe, to another dimension, or even another version of us. We've never seen inside one. We can't survive near one. But what if the rogue black hole drifting through our galaxy is more than just a killer? What if it's a key? One day, we may harness black holes to to bend time, to power civilizations, to travel across galaxies in an instant. Some scientists already believe we could encode data into the event horizon or use the Hawking radiation they emit to generate energy beyond anything Earth can produce. But until that day comes, they remain a mystery, one that might destroy us or elevate us beyond imagination. You, sitting here watching this video, are part of an unfolding story. A cosmic epic where galaxies collide, stars die, and black holes roam like beasts in the dark. We are tiny, fragile, mortal, but in our minds we hold the power to understand the universe, to question what we cannot see, to discover what others fear. That black hole moving through our galaxy, it's a symbol of mystery, of danger, and of the infinite. And maybe, just maybe, that's exactly why we're here.